So this is one of our Florida box turtles. When you're looking at turtles, oh, there it goes. They're fast. Faster than you would expect. When you're looking at turtles, one very easy way to identify a box turtle is to look at the size of their shell. Box turtles are typically kind of hamburger shaped, sized like a nice big hamburger. Florida box turtles, like this guy, have very sharp claws, and as a result, they're really good at climbing. However, as you can see, their shell is not going to provide a lot of streamlining in the water. They're not good swimmers at all. They actually really can't swim. The reason these turtles are called box turtles is because the underside of their shell has a hinge on it. This hinge allows the turtle to actually close its front and back halves of that lower shell, that plastron, and seal up like a box. If you see a box turtle, or any turtle for that matter, just put it down next to the water so they can decide if they want to go into it. Because as you can see from their feet, these guys don't have webbed feet and they can't swim. Now, box turtles do get in a lot of trouble. That's why we have all of these animals here at the Nature Center. They get hit by cars and lawnmowers. They'll get eaten by and attacked by dogs a lot. Coyotes are experts at getting into box turtle shells. They can wedge that tooth into the sealed up part of a box turtle's shell and just crack them open. So this is Billy. He is our sulcata tortoise. Tortoises are a type of turtle. They're a land turtle. It's really kind of an artificial distinction, sort of like how all toads are frogs, but not all frogs are toads. All tortoises are turtles. Not all turtles are tortoises. Tortoises are pretty distinct. They are large, usually. Billy is a pretty good sized guy here. Their feet are sort of stompy, almost like elephant feet. Tortoises are herbivores. They only eat plants. Land turtles, like our box turtles, are omnivores. They'll eat plants and animals. Tortoises just eat plants. Now, lots of people will keep sulcata tortoises, like Billy here, as pets. They'll get them when they're very small. Baby sulcata tortoise is only about this big. Adult sulcatas, however, can be over 100 pounds. And when a turtle that big lives in your yard or your house, it just kind of goes wherever it wants. But they are native actually to Africa. They're an African tortoise, fairly commonly kept as pets here in the United States. Now, we do have a native tortoise in Florida, the gopher tortoise. Unfortunately, we don't have any of those yet at the Nature Center. We're really hopeful that soon we'll be able to get the appropriate permits and have some gopher tortoises here on display. Gopher tortoises are significantly smaller than sulcatas. They're a dark gray color, and you will find them wandering around in Florida. They're an animal that you're actually not even allowed to interact with. So if you see a large tortoise wandering around your yard or your neighborhood, just leave it alone, let it do what it wants, and you're not going to be bothered by it. Calusa Nature Center and Planetarium is a nonprofit organization that's been serving the communities of Southwest Florida for 50 years. Your donation to our emergency operating fund will help us to keep our animals, like Billy, our sulcata tortoise here, safe, happy, and healthy during the time that we are closed due to the coronavirus. Thank you for all of your support, and we hope to see you when our doors open up again soon.